Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn how to send a mail using Mailchimp. Technically it is referred to as creating a campaign, though campaign could be different types. So let's just see how to create your first mail campaign using Mailchimp. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, log in to your campaign Mailchimp dashboard. You can go to this campaigns, or here you'll see create a campaign, so click here. As I said, there could be various types of campaign. We're going to create an email campaign. Give your campaign a name that you can recognize it with. So this is only for yourself, not be visible to your readers. So click on begin, and then we would say whom we are sending it to. So you can select your list here. This is my test list that I'm going to use it. You can use segments and tags. So you can send it to new subscribers, active subscribers. So these are your pre-built segments. If you've created any segments and tags, they will come here so you can use it. You can also personalize the to field to add the name or last name or both. So this is the option available, and just keep on saving. Okay, so you have to give like whom are you sending it from. Give something that people can recognize you with. So if it's your website or your name, so do mention that. And then we'll say what's the subject. It has to be catchy. Okay, so you can test around with different subjects. Even I'm trying that to see what people open. Okay, so let me say a free gift for you. Okay, and in preview text, it's the snippet that comes after your subject in the inbox. So just say don't miss this. Just an example. Okay, so you can give whatever you want. Now comes the main portion when you're going to create a mail. So say design a mail. There will be various formats available. Okay, so these are some templates, easy templates that you can use. More here, and you can pick up as per themes. So if it's an e-commerce one or events one, so there's some easy themes available. Okay, if you have created a template, it'll be available here. You can also pick it up from the last campaigns that you've sent out. Okay, I usually send out a basic mailer. Okay, so I pick up simple text because it has more chances of going in the person's inbox rather than spam. Okay, so let me pick up a template that I already have. So let me pick up this Pinterest one. This is for the course that I am doing on Pinterest. Okay, so just a sample one I'm showing. Okay, you can play around with the designing of it as we go along. I'll just show you how it's done. So I've clicked on this. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so I have selected a template. I clicked on next, and okay, I think so it's like really slow. So give it 2 minutes. I'll take you to a campaign builder. Now, what I'm trying to show you is what all options are there and how you can use it to send a campaign. Okay, so this is your campaign builder. You can add a text, you can add a box text, you can add a divider, you can add an image, you can add an image card with caption, you can add social share, follow, buttons, footers, code, video, product, promo code. So there are multiple options here available in content. Okay, it's still loading. It's a little slow, so give it a few minutes before we can actually start. I'll talk about the other options till then. Okay, so you can always preview and test your mail before you send it across. Here is an option of saving it as a template. Once you're done, you have to click on save and close. At any point of time, if you have to come back to it later, you can also do a save and exit. Okay, so this is mainly the place where you'll be designing your mails. So you can choose it text, you can choose it to contain images and everything, and so on. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to load. So like this is my basic template that I use. You can add an image at the top, and you can just go ahead and write it. These are called merge tags. Okay, so instead of email, what will happen is in my list, the email that's been stored will come, and you can style it. These are the various settings that we have, the number of columns that we have in a mail. So I won't be getting into like campaign designing. I'm sure we can do that as we go along with the help of options that we just talked about. Okay, and you can duplicate this box, you can delete this box, you can edit this box. Okay, So these are the various options that you have. You can just go ahead, type here. Okay, I'll just show you. So you click on this, say edit. This is a blog that I have, and just go here and type whatever you want. Okay, so you can say hi, how are you. You can add styles, fonts, as I said. And once you're done, okay, just say save and close. You've written your mail. You can again add things from here like as you want to. Okay, it's actually your choice how you want to send a mail and what you want to put in it. Okay, just say save and close after you've done. So you have everything here ready. Now I want to send a test mail before I actually send it to people. Okay, so you can give an ID where you want to send a test mail. Click on send. Sorry. So this will, now what you do is, the mail that you've sent it to, just go and check how it's looking. Do you want to really change something there or not? Okay, now you can once you're done, you're happy with the mail that you have and you've checked it in your test mail. Okay, so you can either schedule it or you can click on send. Okay, now this is like I only have 2 people in it. Okay, so let me just show you what happens when I click on send. Okay, it's a test one that I've set up. So it'll give you, you're ready for launch and you really want to send it, and if you want to send, just click on send now and this will send your mail. So this is how you send mails to subscribers. Okay, and I would suggest that you do it more often. I myself am trying to make it a practice nowadays because that keeps the connection going on. So in case if you want to say, if by chance you want to come back later and edit it, you'll find it in your campaigns list. Okay, so I'll just show you how to see it later also. So this is the one that we are working on. Anytime you want to delete it, you can. Okay, if you want to view the email, replicate, you can do it. If I want to delete it, I'll just come here and I'll say delete. That's it. So here you have to type delete to actually delete it. Just say so. Okay, so all the test mails that I'd created just now are gone. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any queries, please do get back to me. I would love to hear from you. So thank you again. Bye. Take care, guys. We'll talk again soon. Take care. Bye.